How to get the sound on Reddit mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually get and turn on sound on the Reddit mobile app. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated Reddit app to the latest version. So you can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Reddit and then check whether you have received the update for the Reddit app or not. Make sure to update it to the latest version, because sometimes an update is generally going to fix the issue if you are not being able to listen to sounds on the Reddit mobile app. After that, I'm going to simply open Reddit, and let's say you are trying to log into your account and you log into your account, but then you play a video but there is no sound. It is completely mute, and it works in some videos and it doesn't. Now the process to fix this is actually really simple. Let's say that I open and simply select any of this video right over here. Once you select the video, at the bottom of the screen you will simply be able to see this volume icon right over here. You can simply tap on this volume icon in order to enable or mute it. If it shows crossed, then this means that this volume icon is currently crossed out, and if it shows this, then it also means that the volume icon is currently working. So you also want to check the sound mode on your phone and then check whether that has fixed the issue or not. And if this doesn't fix the issue, then it is most probably because this very sound right over here, this very video does not have that sound. It simply shows the sound icon, but it could not have any type of sound. So make sure you have made sure of that. And if this doesn't work as well, the only alternative solution is to simply open your browser and then go to reddit.com and then simply try to use the Reddit from there. This is the only way to actually do this, because it could be an application bug. Most probably your phone could be in a silent mode, or else the video itself does not have any sound. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.